Good afternoon, everybody. Joseph C. Becker with 1040 Plus Quality Tax Preparation and Bookkeeping Services here with another tax tip. Today I'd like to talk about the new changes Congress made that could affect 17, 18, and 19 tax years. So if any of these apply, we might need to go back and amend your returns if you've already filed 17, 18, and 19. The first thing I'd like to talk about is for 2018, the new tax law made canceled debt taxable. This year, Congress changed that. Most canceled debt is still taxable, but canceled debt from a home loan can be non-taxable, and if you claimed it as income, we could write that off. Go back and amend your 2018. As a matter of fact, if you had any canceled debt in 17, 18, or 19, and you call it income, you should contact me because we know how to help you write that off. Secondly, they brought back the mortgage premium deduction for itemized deductions. So, it's hard to itemize. If you're married in 18, it was $24,000, 19, $24,400 you have to get above. If you're single, it was $12,000, 18, $12,219. But if you were able to itemize, and if you did have mortgage insurance premium, we need to go back and amend those 18 and 19 returns. The third thing, I know you guys will all be happy to hear this, they brought back a 10% residential energy credit up to $500. So if you bought something that was a residential energy thing, if you had solar panels, I'm sure you would have used those. But if you bought windows or a air conditioning unit or any other appliance or thing for your house that qualifies to be a residential energy credit, we can go back and amend 18 and 19. Next, they brought back the above-the-line tuition deduction. If your AGI has to be less than $160,000 if you're married, and $80,000 if you're single, and if for some reason you couldn't use the Hope credit or lifetime learning credit, you can now go back and amend your returns and use the above-the-line tuition deduction. Here's a big thing. When they changed in the 2018 tax law, they changed the way you calculate kiddie tax, and it ended up making people pay a whole lot of money, and they've revised that. So if your children had unearned income for 17, 18, or 19, we need to go back and look at that because it can be recalculated. You can get a refund. The next thing they did is they gave you a tax credit for alternative fueling if your car's set up for that. For individuals, that could be up to $1,000, and for businesses, that could be up to $30,000. They also brought back, they created a motorcycle credit, and that can get you up to, for 2018 and 19, that can get you up to $2,000. If you purchase a sell vehicle, you may be able to get up to a $4,000 credit if you're an individual, and a $40,000 credit if you're a business. And then here's one that I like. If you're a builder and you build homes, and you built a home that had it was a residential energy efficient home, you can get up to a $2,000 tax credit. So these are some very big changes that I think everybody should know about, and we should go back and amend your returns if you have them. Please feel free to call me anytime. 281-397-7777. We're here 7 days a week. We can meet with you over the phone, over Skype, over Facebook, or if you want to come into our office and you'll wear a mask, we're socially distanced and we can help you here. Joe Becker, 1040 Plus, Small Business Experts. Look forward to seeing you. Thanks and have a great day.